Hi everyone and welcome. In today's video I will show you how you can change the script or the theme of your WordPress website in less than 5 minutes. So in order to do that, just watch this video till the end and don't skip any minute, guys. So first thing to do, let's go and over the WordPress dashboard, and here there is a place for appearance. Go to theme. After that, let's click on theme. Here you'll find big plus, add new theme. Click on it. Here there is a button called upload theme. Click on choose file here to upload the theme, or if you just want to use a free theme of the WordPress collection, you can just click on install and then activate. That's all you need if you want to use a free theme. In my case, I will upload the theme. Go over the theme folder. So if you buy the theme folder from some platform like Evento or ThemeForest, you'll find a multiple folder. You'll find the folder for the theme, folder for the plugin, and folder for the license of the theme. So let's go to the folder of the theme. Here also you will find, at most case, the premium theme contain the theme itself and the theme child. So we need to upload them both, and click on install now. And let's just wait for this percentage here to be 100%. So now the theme is installed successfully. Now we need to upload the theme child also. Go again over theme and add new and upload theme, and here let's select the theme child and click on install, and the theme child is installed successfully. So one more thing to add, if there is a folder for your plugin, go over here. But I am already the plugin is already installed on my for this theme. For you, if you have the folder of the plugin, click the same thing and upload all your plugin and install them. If your theme required some plugin, you will have this message here, and just click on install and the plugins will be installed automatically. So let's go now over the website and see you must first activate the theme. So let's activate the theme and click on activate. And now let's go to the website and let's see the new theme. So as you can see, guys, the new theme, it could be appearing some strange for you because I don't have any post yet on this website. It's a new website. So all you need to do, if you have some post on your website, is to change those parameters here. In order to access there, you just need to click on customize here and then change all those settings and personal and customize them. First thing to do is to customize the website identity. The title, the tagline, the icon is that little icon that appear in here to replace the WordPress default icon. And then the menu here, to add new menu, just click on create a new menu and let's name this menu 1. And here in this template there is 3 type of menu. Let's click first for the primary menu, and here you can add items for your menu like the home, and you can add a new page here and click on publish. So as you can see, here is the new primary menu here. It will be appearing here, and here you will find widget. What is mean? Widget will help you to customize your home page, to add some new stuff here, like I have 3 widgets right now. I have the search widget, the recent post, and the recent comment, as you can see here. The search, the recent post, the recent comment. You can add new widget here if you want a custom HTML, if you want a custom HTML, or if you want a page RSS, and all the stuff available on your template. And here on the home page settings, those two, if you want your home page to be a static and not changing after every post that you will add, to be a static website, just select this and select what page do you want to be your home page. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned how you can change your template and customize your WordPress template. Thank you. If you have any issue with doing this, just tell me in the comment and I will help you out. I will leave some WordPress videos in the comment. Check them out. Thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to receive our new videos. Thank you guys.